It is I, Rami. Let's review some facts. We understand the concept of fact is being questioned in your world because some benefit when it is. But let's list some absolute truths about each of you. Christ is observant and not reactive. Truthful. Rarely forgiving because it is rarely condemning in the first place. Happy-go-lucky. Filled with gratitude for everything. Frugal. Wise beyond the years of the current lifetime. Loving. Still. A visionary. Each of you are common and yet extraordinary. You are no different from anyone except for one tiny thing. You feel a sense of belonging, of connectedness to everyone and everything. You don't feel special because you know everyone is special. Everyone is part of God, and you don't judge them because you know that everyone has their path to take. You see everyone and everything through the lens of love and not fear. Your natural and essential operating system has been replaced by your soul's natural operating system. Christ performs miracles simply by facilitating them. It doesn't put on any shows by raising the dead or walking on water. Christ doesn't seek attention, but uses its own ability to focus its attention on facilitating God's will by helping love to flourish. In truth, Rami.